We're going to do a video on gold price prediction. We've got a chart of gold up here for you on gold futures from COMEX Exchange, the symbol GC, and we have a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Gold right now is trading at $1,651. That's $1,651. On the futures contract, the high is $1,685, the low is $1,684. And let's take a quick look and see what's going on with gold. We see we broke into a bear market here around June of 2022, the third week in June. Went down, put in a low of approximately about 1678 on June 21st, rallied up to the 200-day moving average, which, as you'll notice, has gone flat, and then promptly sold right off and made some new lows. This this chart is not updated yet. The market is selling substantially lower than this at 1648, which is right about here on this chart, right roughly around here where my pointer is. And so we're in a deep bear market for gold. You can see we violated all the support that we had, and we're down into looking at the next support on the futures contract down around the 1500 level. So there's a lot of risk in gold right now. It is in a bear market. The 200-day moving average is definitely flat. The price is below the 200-day. It's below the 20-day. It is below the 5-day moving average. Let's expand this so we can see it. And we're making new lows again. This price is down around the 1648 level right now. Low for the day is 1648, and right now about 1651. So what is the short term for gold? The short term for gold is not, the prognosis is not good. I suspect gold is going to go down significantly further from here. It's a question of how long it's going to take to get there, but there's just no support for gold until we get down to this 1500 level. I'm not suggesting it's going to go straight down there. There's always going to be a lot of back and filling, and it might not even get there. And this is actually saying, if I can get here, this is a futures contract, but it's actually saying 1450 as the next major support level, 1450. So that is not optimistic for gold at the moment, but that's where we are. Gold's in a deep bear market. It's been selling off for a long time, as you can see. It's been in a bear market since June, but it's really been selling off hard here since the middle of August, and it seems to be accelerating now. So the short-term prognosis for gold is, I think we'll probably get down here, probably sell down roughly to the 1630 level, maybe 1625, put in a little rally up to about the 16, maybe back to the 1650-ish level. We're at 1651 right now. That's assuming we don't hold here. If we don't hold here at this low that we put in at 1645, I think we're going to fall. If we don't hold, we're going to fall probably to 1625 here by the first week, maybe the second week in October, and then rally back up to 1650. That's my best guess looking at it right now, and that's just based on how this commodity usually trades. You can see we can swing $50 in a week and a half. So that's what I'm looking at, down to about 1725, back up to 1625, and back up to 1650 in the coming weeks if we don't hold right here. I don't see any particular reason for gold to hold right here. It is putting its stab down, and it did that to 1648. So it may hold 1648, it may not. That's the critical level to look at. If it doesn't hold that 1648 level next week, or even today, then I would look for prices to explore down to the 1625 level, which is the next logical level on this chart. Keep in mind, there are no reasonable support levels until we get down to $1,450. So you're just going to use regular trading, backing, and filling to come up with an analysis, and that's what I'm doing right now. Everything for entertainment purposes only, all in my opinion. In a bear market in gold, and it looks like it's going to probably go lower if it doesn't catch support right here at the 1648. Let's go down and take a look and see what RBM Research says. We follow gold. This is a gold futures contract on the COMEX Exchange for today, Friday the 23rd. No buys, but we do have shorts. We have short on gold at 1660. This is 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. These are trading days. You hold worst case this, close it out at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you can get it. So if you entered the market on a one-day hold, you take your profit as soon as you get it, or worst case, close it out at the end of the next trading day, and so forth, all the way across. Let's take a look and see. Gold is traded in a range between 1685 and 1648 today. So all of these have been live, and all of them at some point would have been profitable. So it's a good day for gold on RBM Research. Keep in mind these are all for entertainment purposes only. You have to use them just for entertainment. You have to do your own analysis. If you'd like to see these every day before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, absolutely no cost, you can do that at rbamresearch.com. No credit card required. Just follow the link over there to RBM Research. Links in the description below, and sign up. You just need your email address. You get access to 190 stocks, and that's entry prices for 190 stocks. The major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the futures, as I just showed you, in addition to gold, SP 500, crude oil, and treasury bonds. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have any comments you want to leave us in the comment section below, we'd love to hear it, especially your comments on moving averages and how they apply to making analysis of these gold futures. And keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.